had my camera on, caught that guy top water. Damn it. Hate when my camera shuts off. It just shuts off on me. Cast down over there and got him top water right in that open spot right there. Not a giant, but it's a fish. First one. I've been here about 10 minutes. Later, buddy. Go get bigger. Down in the grass. Got him. Old crankbait coming back into play here. Same thing I was doing out at the other spot I was at. Cranking through the grass. Fish number 2. I threw a Senko through here a whole bunch and didn't get no bites. What I'm going to attempt to do is throw this way out there and crank that grass, or before that grass. Sometimes you get strikes right there. It's not an easy way to fish, but when they're eating reaction, that's the way you got to do it when you're on the shore. Find out real quick if they're out there. Came up and nudged it, but he didn't eat it. I don't know if you guys can see that. Oh, yeah. Just got bit right there. Right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, folks of all ages. It's been tough out here. Caught a couple fish. Got a couple chasers, but it's been tough. I usually catch one right in this spot every time, and I haven't caught anything here yet. Weird. It's, like I said, first overcast day. And kind of a tough bite. See if I can make my way over here where I used to always sneak over to. It's not easy. You got to take your time so you don't slip and fall in the water. I have fell in the water here a few times. Whoa, frog scared the crap out of me. Not the first one. Anyways, I'm gonna make my way right here and try to cast on this stuff. You gotta be really careful out here. That mud right there, if you step in it, you'll sink to your knees. And I've got stuck in this stuff before, so be very careful out at this spot. I was out here by myself one time and got stuck in the mud, and I was stuck for like an hour. And I finally got myself out. I took my pole cast over to a piece of wood, driftwood, something like that. And I pulled the wood over to me with my pole, and I used the wood to get out of the water. Otherwise, I would have, I don't know, man. I'd have been stuck in the mud all night. That would not have been good. Anyways, try to catch one. Always start close to me so I don't blow the spots out. There's a fish there. Catch him first. Got one. Knew it. Knew it, knew it, knew it. Oh, yeah. Got him. What's up, Peter? Peter, Cinco Eater. Something like that. I always say the stupidest things when I'm fishing. I'm sure I'm not the only one. So much cringe that I edit out. Anyways, he was right there, right where I said. Let's get you back in there, buddy. Later. Do it. Do it. Go the wrong way, dude. So, yeah, here at Urban Bass Lures. Man, he really ripped this thing up, didn't he? Try to use, here at Urban Bass Lures, I try to use handmade everything. Well, not everything, but a lot of stuff I try to hand make. Damn, he ripped that thing in half. That sucks. I should have grabbed another one. Anyways, I was gonna say, I hand pour these Senkos do it molds. See it on there, kinda. Do it mold Senkos. These are the actual Gary Yamamoto Senkos. He released the molds to do it molds, and I bought a couple of them, and I've been making these out of recycled baits. So I take my recycles and I make new baits. My bag's way over there. I should have stuck a couple Senkos in my pocket. Anyways, let's get some more fish. Oh man. Once again, my camera's off. I don't know how. A little hole right there in the grass. I'm gonna try to toss him right back in the hole I got him out of. He was right. Oh, I was just barely off. He was right there. So see how he made that hole when he went through? When the fish come up and they eat, they'll leave a hole sometimes. So where the holes are over here, I'm going to pitch down in the holes. That's where I've been getting my fish on Senkos. It's really cold today. It's been cold front. So I got to slow down. Man, that sucks. Sucks that the GoPro always just shuts off, man. I don't know. It's all action cameras do it. They just shut off. Is what it is. I'm going to fall down in the holes and just kind of bump it. Bump my pole tip. Try to see if more line goes down and more line goes down until it stops. Then you're on the bottom. Once I'm on the bottom, just give it a couple pops. If they're down there, they'll usually eat it right when it's there. Okay. Yeah, get up here. Oh, no, that was a big one. Ah, Dang. I almost feel like he bent that hook out a little bit. Dang it. It's the one I was looking for. Told myself come back over here with the crankbait. I'm trying to dig myself a channel right there, and as I'm looking at my bait, I get smashed right there. This dude that used to come out here and fish, and he would stand right here, and he would catch them all day long. Right here. And I think I'm gonna do that. Man, this crankbait is magical. I have to find out who made this thing, man. I don't know where it came from. I need to find out who made this crankbait. If you guys know, let me know. I will give you a free bait. A free handmade big lure if anybody can tell me where that comes from. Anyways. Got a crawdad sticking out of his belly. Nice fish. Nice fish, nice fish, nice fish. Later, buddy. Oh, fuck. That was a big one. Damn it, Gregory, that's right where you caught your 7-pounder, and I just had a big one on. He bit and shot straight up under that bush. I missed him. He stole my worm. Nope. Didn't steal it, I just missed him. That sucks. Well, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, folks of all ages, out here fishing. And it is super overcast and it got cold, like cold. These fish do not like it. Do not like it. Something I learned in the past couple of years. See these things? That is where a crawdad dug his hole down into there. Pretty cool, huh? There's a crawdad down in there. Well, that's what happens when your camera's not on. But I got him. I haven't been catching him for a minute, and I saw this dude bust over here in the shallows. Got him. Bass layers. Whoa. Oh, okay. Camera decided to go funky on me there. Just got this guy, and camera is doing it again. Anyways, get this guy back in the water. I think it's still filming. I hope it's still filming.